Dear students, in this video we will see how to attend the lab exam online being conducted through MS Teams. Exactly at the time of exam, you will get a notification of the assignments under the assignments tab. Tap on the assignments to open it. You can read the instructions over here and there will be a link to add your work. You must have already taken the printout of the answer script provided by your respective faculty one day before. The respective faculty will first assign an experiment to you using a method of his or her choice. Once you know the title of your experiment, write down all the parts that you know about it, like the aim, apparatus, procedure, diagrams if any, and conclusion. Once you are done writing, take a scan of the same using an app of your choice and convert those images into a PDF file. You may have to leave the Teams app to do the same. So here you can see I'm using Microsoft Lens app to take the diagrams, to take the images. So you have to take all the pages one by one. And once you are done, convert this into a PDF. Tap on the share button and save it to somewhere on your mobile. Once the file is pasted, go back to the MS Teams app. Tap on this button over here which says add work. Add a new file or upload from the device. And in the recent files, you should be able to detect the file. It may take some time to load the file. Once it is uploaded properly, tap on this button hand in at the top right corner. If after uploading you think that the scan was not correct, it is out of focus or something, you can tap on the three buttons on the right side and choose remove. And you have to scan and make another PDF which you can upload again. Once you have handed in your assignment, this page will appear showing you the instructions as usual and the link to your work. And at the top right corner you can see the option to undo the hand in, which means you can undo the hand in and make edits later. You can hand in the assignment any number of times within the time allotted to you. Once the time for the exam is over, you will no longer be able to hand in your assignments. Please ensure that your assignment scan copy is totally focused and completely readable. Thank you.